Okay guys, today's lesson is subtract across zeros, and what we will do today, we will solve subtraction questions like these, and when we subtract we will regroup through zeros. As you can see here, to subtract 2 minus 4 we can't, we will regroup, we need to borrow one from the zero. Okay, and that's what we will do today. We will solve questions like this. Now open your books, page 72.
A concert hall is hosting a symphony. The hall sells 4,678 tickets to the show. How many tickets are still available? How can you find the number of available tickets for the symphony? Subtract the number of tickets sold from the total number of seats. Find 6,000 minus 4,678. Here is one way to subtract. First, estimate the difference by rounding to the nearest hundred. Which equation uses the correct estimate? The equation 6,000 minus 4,700 equals 1,300 shows the correct estimate. Now subtract. When necessary, regroup thousands to hundreds, hundreds to tens, and tens to ones. How do you know 6 thousands is equal to 5 thousands, 9 hundreds, 9 tens, 10 ones? 5 thousands plus 9 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 10 ones is the same as 5,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 10, which is equal to 6,000. The difference is 1,322. There are still 1,322 tickets available for the symphony.
There is more than one way to record regroupings across the zeros.
Let's look at another way to subtract. The estimate of 1,300 tickets still applies. Think of 6,000 as 600 tens. Then regroup tens as ones. How can you explain this regrouping? In this regrouping, 6,000 was regrouped as 599 tens and 10 ones. The difference is 1,322. There are still 1,322 tickets available for the symphony. Remember that addition and subtraction have an inverse relationship. To check the answer to a subtraction problem, you can add the difference to the lesser number. If the answer is the same as the greater number, you subtracted correctly.
Okay, now to the book. Open your books, page 73. We found in this video how to subtract when we have question like this, 6,000 minus 1,773. Okay, I will explain this to you. Focus with me. Let's start. When we start by subtracting 0 minus 3, we'll find that we can subtract 0 minus 3. So we should borrow How to borrow from the 0? We can't borrow from the 0, so we need to move to the next digit and borrow from it. It's also 0. So to solve this problem, we should borrow from the 6. Who will borrow from the 6? Okay, let's start first borrowing from the 6. The 6 will be 5. And this 0 will be 10. Okay, just okay, this will be 5 and this will be 10. Okay, help me with solving this. So we'll borrow from this 6, it will be 5, and this 0 will be 10. Now we should take from this 10, it will be 9, and the next one will be 10. We should borrow now from this 10, it will be 9, and this 0 will be 10. So the first one will be 10, and the other two in the tens and hundreds will be 9s. Now let's start. Karar. Hassan, mute your mic. Hussein Ahmed, mute your mic. Karar.
Yes.
Okay, man, solve with me. 10 minus 3.
7.
Great. And 9 minus 7.
2.
9 minus 7 again.
2.
And 5 minus 1.
4.
Thank you. Thank you, Karar. So that's how to subtract through zeros, how to do the regrouping. And let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Salman Busbeh.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Salman. You are with me. Question number 4. Start.
6 minus 3 equals 3.
8 minus 6.
8 minus 6 equal this 2.
0 minus 8.
Can't be.
So?
Take 1 and it will be 0, and then this one will be 10. 2 again.
Good. 10 minus 8 is 2.
It can't be, so take away 1 for the 3, and it's gonna be 2, and place 1 to the tens.
So 10 minus 2.
9.
10 minus 2 is 8.
8.
2 minus 7.
Can't be.
So
take away from the 2 and it'll be 1.
And the 2 will be?
12.
So 12 minus 7.
5.
And 1 minus 1 is?
0.
There is no
So
need
you
to
just-
write. Yes.
You just do 0.
Thank you. Thank you, Salman. You are a great hero. Thank you. Great work. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Ali Abdullah. Sorry, Ali Zakaria Saliq. Ali Zakaria.
Yes.
Okay, Ali, help me with the next question, and let's start. This time it's horizontal. We may write it on each other, over each other. This is called vertical, and we can also solve it this way. Let's solve it this way. 0 minus 5. I will write the answer in here. Okay, 0 minus 5.
And
So
we take 1 from. We take 1 and put 10
again, take one from where?
from the 1,
And it will be
and it will be 0.
good. And after that, give this 1 to the next 0. It will be 10. Continue. 10 minus. I used dots. Can you see the dot?
Yes.
Okay. 10 minus 5.
5
0 minus 4.
and B.
I
We
will
take
put
1 from 8 and put 10.
So this will be?
10.
No, start first with the 8. It will be?
7.
And after that, give the 1 to the 0. It will be 10.
10.
Now, 10 minus 4.
6.
And the hundreds here, 7 minus 6.
It will be 1.
Let's move to the thousand. I will put a comma in here. 6 minus 2.
4.
7 minus 2.
5.
Okay. Thank you. Who was that again? This is
Ali
Ali
Zakaria.
Zakaria. Right. Great work, Ali. You are truly a hero. Thank you. And let's move to the next question. Guys, write the answers quickly. Write the answers. Everyone. And when you write, listen.
Teacher, I can't see it. Can you put it in the chat?
Put what? Put what?
The answer, because I can't see it.
You can't see my screen? You can.
Yeah.
So you can go out and get in again. You cannot just listen without.
I go out and I come again.
Yes, go out and come again. Join again. Okay? Quickly, Ibrahim. Okay, guys. You should write this regrouping. This is called regrouping or borrow. You should write it. Okay? This is very important. Do not just write the answer and you say that this is okay now. No, you should write all things. Okay, let's move to the next question. Abdullah Abdul Baqi. Abdullah Abdul. Sorry. Abdullah Al Qadi. Abdullah Al-Qadi?
Yes, Mr. Yes.
Yes, Abdullah. Raise your voice,
Yes.
please.
Okay.
Okay, start. 4 minus 7.
4 minus 7.
Hmm?
3.
So we will borrow 1 from the 0. It has not. It doesn't has anything to borrow. So we will borrow from where? From
3.
3. The 3 will be,
2.
and the 0 here will be,
1. 0.
it will be 10.
10.
Okay. Now let's borrow from this 10. It will be 9, and the 4 will be,
3.
again, the 4 will be what?
4.
14. 14 minus 7.
Minus 7.
Yes.
7.
Great. And now this is 9. This 0 now, it's 9. The tens is 9.
Yes.
9 minus 3.
6.
And the hundreds is 2. 2 minus 1.
1.
Good. Now let's move to the thousands. 0 minus 1.
1.
Are you sure?
0. 0.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If you have 0, can you take 1 from it?
No.
No, can't be. So borrow 1 from. Yes,
The 9.
it will be. Continue. Don't wait for me.
Be the 0.
Start with the 9 first. The 9 will be
8.
good. And the 0 will be
10.
okay. Now 10 minus 1.
10 minus 1. 8. 9.
And 8 minus 5.
3.
Thank you, Abdullah. Great work. Okay, and let's move to the next question.
Teacher, what's your question?
Ahmed Sarhid.
Here.
Okay, Ahmed, go ahead. Start. Tell me what to do, and I will do it.
5 minus 1 is
No, 1 minus 5.
can't be.
Yes.
Take from the 1.
This one, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Will be 0.
Hmm.
And the 0 will be 10.
Hmm.
And the 10 will be 9. The 0 will be 10.
Hmm.
The 0 will be 9. The 1 will be 11.
Great.
11 minus 5 is 6. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 minus 8 can't be. We take from the first one. The 0 will be 10 and will be 9. Then the 0 will be 10.
So
And
now it's 10 minus 8.
Minus 8 is 8.
Yes, 10 minus 8 is
2.
2. And we have here left 9 in the 10,000s, right?
Yeah.
So we should drop it here, okay? In the
Okay.
10,000s. So the number is 92,000, and the 0, of course, we don't need to write it. Ahmed, you are a great hero, thank you. And let's move to another, the next question. I want
Sir, I
also,
can answer.
who's using the mic? Do not use your mic, okay? Mahdi?
Here.
Yes, Mahdi, help me with the next question. Say what you want and I will write it. Okay, I will help you if you need.
0 plus minus 1 cannot be. We borrow from the 5, it will be 4. 4 plus minus 1 is 3.
No. You didn't finish the borrow. You borrowed 1 from the 5. Now give it to the 0.
10.
Yes.
It will be 9. Equal 9. 4 minus 6 equal can't be.
Great. So
The 4 it will be
now from where you borrow?
from the 9.
Good. The 9 will be
8.
good. And this 0 will be
10.
now we need to take from this 10 to give the 4. So the 10 will
14.
be
9.
and the 4 will be 14.
14.
Now 14 minus 6.
14 minus 6 8.
Good.
Mister, I can answer.
Now
Yeah.
Ali, mute your mic.
6.
9 minus. I can't hear
9
you well. 9 minus 4 is 6.
9. No. 9 minus 4. 5.
Now to the 1000. 8. It's
Eight.
now 8. 8 minus 3.
8 minus 3. 5.
Good. Okay, guys, finish writing. And I will send it to you on WhatsApp also.
I finish it.